Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Srinivas Koppisetti. Today, we are going to analyze one of the most secretive and high-performing engineering team in the world, Apple's Silicon Engineering Group. This is the team behind the M1, M2, and M3 chips that revolutionized the Mac. Here is our roadmap. We will apply 10 project management concepts from our course to understand how this team achieved breakthrough performance. Top 6 team behavior. Let's examine the 6 key team behavior according to Jacques Wang's framework. Mutual trust was built through absolute secrecy. Engineers worked with unleashed intellectual property worth billions, and they had to trust each other completely. Interdependency is critical. The chip team cannot succeed without the software team. The M1's legendary power efficiency come from hardware and software being designed together, not separately. Inclusive team behavior. Inclusive at Apple Silicon team is not about being nice. It's about making sure best idea wins. Suji enforces a no rank in the room rule. A junior software engineer can challenge a senior chip architect in a design review. And designs are driven by data and logic, not hierarchy. He also builds psychological safety by public thanking anyone who raises a problem. The result: problems surface early before they become costly. The outcome is faster problem solving, higher retention, and better chips. Behavior versus content, pricing the messenger. This one of Wang's most powerful concept. Leaders often punish the behavior of speaking up by reacting negatively to the content of the message. Here is the bad approach. A junior engineer discovers a transistor flaw that could delay the M1 by months. The leader reacts by saying, "Why did this happen? This will destroy our timeline." The engineer feels blamed, and future problems get hidden. Now, here is Surji's approach. The same scenario, the engineer reports the flaw. Surji first says, "Thank you for this is exactly what we need from everyone." The result is that the flaw gets fixed, the culture of transparency is reinforced, and the M1 launches on time with higher quality.
Hi, my name is Kalim, and today I'll be talking about the process versus content. This is the difference between what team is working on and how they work. At Apple, the content is things like Apple features and product ideas. The process is how those ideas are developed through meetings, design reviews, and decision making. So even if the team has great ideas, they still need strong process to turn those ideas into a successful product. Furthermore, process versus behavior. These focus on those difference between the system and how people actually act within it. At Apple, the process concludes structural meetings and clear rules, but the behavior is what really stands out. Team members challenge each other, debate ideas, and give direct feedback. This shows that even with strong process, team behavior is what really drives performance. Uh,
Hi everyone. My name is Vinod Kumar Pentagona. Here I'm going to present the forming, storming, norming, and reforming and performing. Here, the slides maps Tuckman's team development stage directly onto Apple. In forming, Apple assembles specialized cross-functional teams to launch products like the iPhone. Storming shows up as creative disagreements between design, engineering, and marketing. In norming, members align around shared goals and process. Performing is where the magic happens, high performance collaboration that drives successful launches. Finally, reforming takes place after a release when teams recognized as pivot towards the next innovation cycle. Every stage adds value to the final product. And here we go with the facilitate concept and techniques. Now let's look at how Apple actually facilitates the teamwork's day to day. Leader sets the tone by ensuring communication in meetings is clear, focused, and respectful. Every team member is actively encouraged to contribute ideas where protects the culture of innovations. Meetings are structured with defined goals and clear agendas. So its time is used well. When conflicts arise, they handle professionally and turn into better decisions. The constant threads across all this is relentless focus on innovation and problem solving. This is my slides. Thank you. And next, we're going to continue Mohammed Sheikh.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sheikh, and today I'll be presenting on Apple INC under the Think Different theme and Lead Different. I've structured the present around three connected ideas. First will be organization culture and diversity of Apple. Rest on three pillars: innovation, inclusion, and sustainability. Innovation comes first. Employees are empowered to challenge, build breakthrough product. Inclusive diversity. Apple hires over 150 nationalities. 35% of its global workforce is in women, and 21% come from undescriptive ethnic groups. And on the second slide, we can see that personality type of Apple. Apple uses framework like MBTI and the Big Five to build complementary high performance teams, which directly go for the people first leaders who inspire collaboration. Understanding these personality types under Apple managers assigns with the right role and build balanced team that constantly delivered world class product. On the third, we can directly use as the personal value versus organization value. When personal value align with the company commissions and employees performance better and stay longer. My personal value maps directly into Apple. Organization value creates align with think difference, aligns with the Apple commitment to privacy and accomplishing quality, where shared success matter more than ego. This align is what turns a job into meaningful careers.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Farhan Khan. I'm going to speak about the team synergy and conflicts. The M1 chip team shows synergy at its best. Hardware and software teams share the same space, the same deadline, and the same goal. Building simultaneously with no handoffs, no competitor has replicated it. The App Store shows the opposite: inconsistent reviews and structural conflict between the protecting Apple 30% commission and building better development platform. The Epic lawsuit used digital marketing and Act brought the tension into full public's view. The takeaway: synergy at Apple is deliberately engineered with those conditions are missing. Conflict become the permanent and non-situational. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Larry Rizvi and I'll be talking about the last three topics. So my first topic will be conflict and personality types. So since Apple is a MNC and there are many engineers, designers and managers with different strengths working together. So there are sometimes conflicts over performance, efficiency and design priorities. The second slide is like conflict management styles. So as I talked about conflicts, Apple mainly uses collaboration to solve technical problems. Competition is used for quick decisions under deadlines. Compromise balances battery life, speed, and performance. Key elements of team performances. So talking about this, Apple's success comes from a very clear vision of Apple Silicon. Strong leadership, teamwork, and accountability drive results. Innovation and efficient management keeps Apple ahead of others. These are the references, and in conclusion, Apple Silicon team proves that clear vision, strong leadership, and constructive conflict turn complex projects into industry-defining results. Thank you. We'll be happy to take your questions.
Thank you all. We would love to take your questions if you have anything. Thank you.